Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I decided to walk through the Dollar Tree to show you what they have because all of their Christmas stuff is out. Now this video today is part of a collaboration with the Home Decor Luxe Club, and it is Vlogtober. It's being hosted by Glam Elegant Decor and Design. Okay, so we have some co-hosts. Okay, so let me go ahead and mention them. We have Miriam Creative Corner. We have Design to a T. We have Creations by Simone. And we have myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And if I did forget anybody, it's going to be linked in the description box below. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll see you at the end. Now, just so you know, the Dollar Tree is coming out with so many amazing items to craft for the holidays, and you don't want to miss it. So I'm just in here trying to show you what they have, and it's not even all out yet. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.